to learn English? Are you weak in English? You can write but cannot speak English? Bengali to English speaking course. This channel is suitable for you.
If she fell in my lap, if she fell in my lap, I will die without you. I will die without you. I will stay by your side. I will stay by your side. Oh my love, don't say it like that. Oh my love, don't say like that. I cannot wait to see her. I cannot wait to see her. Let me stroke your hair. Let me stroke your hair. Love comes from heaven. Love comes from heaven. Let me touch your hands. Let me touch your hands. I see you in my colorful dreams. I see you in my colorful dreams. Let me get your hands. Let me get your hands. I'll die if you leave me. I'll die if you leave me. You are so charming. You are so charming. You are so cute. You are so cute. Thanks God for sending you to my life. Thanks God for sending you to my life. You are so catchy. You are so catchy. I like your red lips. I like your red lips. I promise I'll never leave you. I promise I'll never leave you. I like the smile between your lips. I like the smile between your lips. I want to see you all the time. I want to see you all the time. I want you to sit by my side. I want you to sit by my side. I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. I'll be happy if you marry me. I'll be happy if you marry me. If you are happy, I am happy. If you are happy, I'm happy. I want to die with you. I want to die with you. If you are hurt, I am hurt too. If you are hurt, I am hurt too. You don't know how much I love you. You don't know how much I love you. I can make you understand how much I love you. I can make you understand how much I love you. My heart beats when I see you. My heart beats when I see you. I dream of you every night. I dream of you every night. I'll do everything to make you smile. I'll do everything to make you